Hello, my name is Rod Bates and I'm the owner of Koinonia Guide Service. On behalf of our staff and our sponsors, we'd like to thank you for fishing with us. It is our mission at Koinonia Guide Service to provide you a safe, educational, productive, and memorable experience while exposing you to God's wonderful creation. We see God's great power in the fact that He's created the Susquehanna River, and we see His goodness to us in the fact that He gives us the time, the ability, and the opportunity to enjoy this wonderful creation. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And thank you for choosing Koinonia Guide Service. Lumbermen's Association. Morning, guys. We got Mike on the right, we got Dean on the left. We got Brian's boat there, 2 boat outings. So we're gonna go chase some smallies. What'd you get it on, Brian? Okay.
That's one.
Okay, we got a double here. You can. Want me to take care of him?
Yeah, take care of him.
Okay. All right, I'll get. Oh, nice fish. Sleep in the water. Another snaggler toothfish. Yeah. Okay, don't reel anymore. Bring him towards me. Bring your rod tip towards me. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Just swing him right in. Okay, we got him. Good job. Okay, you can try to lift him up. There we go. Okay, right to me. There we go. This one works.
Oh, hello.
Next cast.
Yeah.
Good job. Just lift him right into me. Nice. Oh, he got off too. Leaping smallie.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't let him rub on the boat. There we go, perfect. The cooker, not the wood to start the fire.
Not making furniture.
Not making furniture. It is the Lumbermen's Association, isn't
This
it?
is the Lumbermen's Association. and Mike just makes sheds all day long, so you know.
That's a better fish, I think. That split-tailed sticko's doing it this morning. Yep. Nice. Oh.
Oh. Oh, was it? Oh, okay.
No, was it?
No, he's asking you. We don't know. We're not feeling the rod, so it's hard.
It just looked like it was big.
Nice fish, Dean. Oh, here, buddy. Boat number 2. Might be the bigger one of the day.
I think it might be.
Oh yeah, it's a nice looking fish. I got 2 hands.
Stop.
Okay, not bad. Fat guy.
That is a nice one.
Okay, don't reel anymore. Okay, now you can swing it right to me. A couple more cranks on it. Yep, right up. Little guy. Another one on the Fit Premium Chili Willy. What's that?
You teach?
No, Director of Construction and Real Estate. I get involved with any construction projects we have going on. Not bad. Let's go ahead and try to swing it right to him. Thank you, Lord. You can just swing him right to me. morning we got George with us here. We're on the Susquehanna. We got a north wind, which is better than a south wind. I'm not real thrilled with the color of the water, but we'll see what we can do today. Start out in jigs and do what we got to do.
Yep.
Bring him my way.